Morant Bay Market. Very popular place on a Friday afternoon. All right, I can't go in the market with Maisie because everybody raises the price when they see the white guy. So I gotta stay outside. So I'm just gonna walk down the street. That guy on the road with the microphone. He's so loud. He's so loud. Oh, tell me about your stuff here.
When you want your vegetables, we got them. Natural callaloo, natural corn.
It's all organic.
Corn,
all organic.
Corn, you know? Yeah, man.
You know, in Florida, organic is high price.
No fertilizer.
But in Jamaica,
you know?
organic is everywhere.
Yeah, man. Natural.
Plenty.
Big up yourself, see you, man. Yeah,
big up yourself. Bless up.
Right. Bless up, see you, man. Garlic, you know?
Are these planting ripe yet?
Yeah, ripe in blood,
okay.
ready to fry, you know? Yeah,
okay, almost. Well, that one's not bad. Yeah. See me, I'm acting like I know, I don't really know. Oh yeah, sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
My wife's in the market, I'm hoping she buys some right now.
Yeah, natural callaloo.
Yeah?
Natural, no fertilizer.
I see it, man. Yeah.
We plant the best produce them at St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Up on the hilltop up a spring yard here. So when you want the goods them, you circle the hilltop.
On the hilltop, spring garden.
Natural corn up a spring garden. So if you want the natural goods them, you know, say we have a natural goods.
All right, brother.
All right. Bless up.
Bless up.
No love, no respect.
That's the one armored car down there. I'm not even going to go down there because not too long ago, the one man got shot. Went down there because they're very skittish right now. So I'm not even going to go down there. All right, you're on YouTube now, brother.
I'm the cane man, you know.
The cane man?
Yeah.
You sell it's nice sweet cane. I see you got some mangoes over here too.
Yeah, those are East Indian mangoes.
East Indian.
Yeah.
She's always talking about East Indian. I think that might be her favorite.
No.
What kind?
The sugar cane. The sugar cane. The sugar cane is my favorite, and the jelly.
Yeah.
But I tell you something. There is a mango named Bluey.
Bluey?
Bluey, yeah, the Bluey mango.
Okay.
That is the sweetest mango.
I don't want no sweet.
Sweetie come brush me. It's the sweetest.
Yeah, I used to get
Yeah, those are the small mango like.
Small.
Yeah. But you know, East Indian and Julie, those are high grade mango, you know.
Oh,
Those are the high grade mango. Yeah. But my favorite thing is the sugar cane.
I know you.
I do my sugar cane.
I see you got some jackfruit too.
I got some jackfruit.
That's some big ones.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you got the bags.
Yeah, very good.
You got the bags.
Sweet, man. Oh, Jack. I don't need your stuff.
I see you're looking it over.
What?
Yeah.
Because I want jelly.
Oh, you want some jelly?
I'm gonna go buy just.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Jack, you know.
If you're gonna buy something from you.
Oh, Jack.
Choom. Big up, brother. Big up.
All right,
Bless yourself.
I'm gonna give you the meat part.
Woo, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's got a lot of juice.
Yeah, hold on.
All right, Madge is down here getting her coconut water. She loves the coconut water. This is how you get coconut water in Jamaica. You don't buy it in a bottle. You buy it in a shell.
Yeah.
It's true Jamaica.
True Jamaican, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One more. How much can I get some of them meat feet?
What do you mean? I mean, I'm going to cut it out here more.
The meat, they're young.
Yeah, and like meat.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Y'all give me them now.
You can't make something now, I could have script out all this up.
You have a script up here, man?
Oh, yeah, me have bag, can't put in there, yeah. Yeah, me have full on the sugar anymore.
That's some good jelly right there. Okay, viewers and subscribers, this is Morant Bay. We had a nice little shopping trip. Maisie ran over to get some Juicy's patties for us to eat on the way home. I'm not gonna show me eating those because I'll get crumbs everywhere and it's so embarrassing. So be sure and like, share, comment, subscribe to Red Button Journal. Big up. Bless up yourself.